B. Sixth semester history. Important questions: Era Gandhi of and Mass movement. Question number 1. When was the non-cooperation movement officially started? Question mark. A. 4 September 1920. B. 1 August 1920. C. 15 August 1921. D. 26 January 1920. Answer है A. 1 August 1920. Question number 2. When did the Chauri Chaura incident take place? Question mark. A. 1923. B. 1920. C. 1921. D. 1922. Answer है D. 1922. Question number 3. When did Gandhiji return from South Africa? Question mark. A. 1940. B. 1915. C. 1918. D. 1920. Answer है B. 1915. Question number 4. When was Satyagraha first used against the British government? A. Chauri Chaura incident. B. Swadeshi movement. D. Champaran movement. D. None of the above. Answer is C. Champaran Andolan. Champaran movement. Question number 5. When did the Champaran Satyagraha he takes place? Question mark. A. 1917. B. 1918. C. 1914. D. 1915. Answer है A. 1917. Question number 6. Who led the Salt Satyagraha movement with Mahatma Gandhi? A. Annie Besant. B. Mridula Sarabhai. C. Sarojini Naidu. D. Muthu Lakshmi. Answer है C. Sarojini Naidu. Question number 7. The Khilafat movement demanded the restoration of whose powers? Question mark. A. German Chancellor. B. British Emperor. D. Mughal Emperor. D. Ottoman Emperor. Answer है D. Ottoman Emperor. Question number 8. During which movement did Mahatma Gandhi first use hunger strike as his weapon? Question mark. A. Swadeshi movement. B. Ahmedabad movement. C. Champaran movement. D. Dandiya march. Answer है B. Ahmedabad movement. Question number 9. Which of the following was Gandhiji education? Question mark. A. Truth. B. Non-violence. C. Dharma. D. Satyagraha. Answer है D. Code. A. Only 1 and 3. B. Only 1 and 2. C. Only 2 and 4. D. All. Answer है D. All. Question number 10. Who is considered the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi? A. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. B. Motilal Nehru. D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. D. None of the above. Answer है A. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Question number 11. When did Gandhiji started the weekly Harijan? Question mark. A. 1932. B. 1930. C. 1931. D. 1933. Answer है D. 1933. Question number 12. Where did the Gandhiji third Satyagraha takes place? A. Champaran. B. Kheda. C. Bardoli. D. Ahmedabad. Answer है B. Kheda. Question number 13. Who is the author of the book Hind Swaraj? Answer है A. Motilal Nehru. Option A. Motilal Nehru. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Mahatma Gandhi. D. Mohandas Malvi. B. Madan Mohan Malvi. D. Madan Mohan Malvi. Answer है C. Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 14. Which round table conference did Gandhiji attend in London? Question mark. A. First round table conference. B. Second round table conference. C. Third round table conference. D. None of the above. Answer B. Second round table conference. Question number 15. To whom did Gandhiji give the title of the past state check? Question mark. A. Cripps proposal. B. Harijan. C. Communal award. D. Cabinet mission. Answer A. Cripps proposal. Question number 16. Which was the main economic aspects of the non-cooperation movement? Question mark. A. Promotion British goods. B. Paying higher taxes. C. Setting up new foreigner factories. D. Boycott of foreigner goods. Answer D. Boycott boycott of foreign goods. Question number 17. Which of the following institutions were established during the non-cooperation movement? Question mark. A. Kashi Vidyapeeth. B. Gujarat Vidyapeeth. C. Jamia Millia. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Question number 18. In which session of the Congress was the non-cooperation movement adopted? Question mark. A. Madras session. B. Bombay session. C. Nagpur session. D. Lahore session. Answer is C. Nagpur session. Question number 19. Which of these leaders tried to convince Gandhiji about the need to launch the non-cooperation movement in support of the Khilafat? Question mark. A. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. B. Shaukat Ali. C. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. D. Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Answer है Shaukat Ali. Question number 20. Which among the following founded the Indian National Labour Foundation during the non-cooperation movement? Question mark. A. Surendranath Banerjee. B. C.R. Das. D. Annie Besant. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer A. Surendranath Banerjee. Question number 21. The title given by the British government of Mahatma Gandhi, which he surrendered during the no cooperation movement, was dash? Question mark. A. Hind Keshri. B. Arti Honorable. C. Rai Bahadur. D. Kesar A. Hind. Answer D. Kesar A. Hind. Question number 22. How many policemen died due to fire in the police station in Chauri Chaura incident? Question mark. A. 30. B. 50. C. 22. D. 80. Answer is C. 22. Question number 23. Where was the Khilafat Committee formed? Question mark. A. April 1990. B. A. Option A. April 1990 Punjab. B. March 1990 Bombay. C. May 1990 Kolkata. D. Calcutta. D. January 1990 Lucknow. Question number 24. Khilafat movement announced dash? Question mark. A. Boycott of British goods. B. Non-cooperation with the government. C. Non-participation in victory celebration. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Question number 25. Who among the following supported Mahatma Gandhi non-cooperation resolution at the special session of Calcutta in 1920? Question mark. A. C.R. Das. B. C. Pal. C. Motilal Nehru. D. Annie Besant. Answer is C. Motilal Nehru. Question number 26. Who founded the Hindustan Association Republican Association? A. Sachin Shayal. B. Jogesh Chandra Chatterjee. C. Ram Prasad Bismil. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Question number 27. When the when was the Hindustan Republican Association established? Question mark. A. 1924. B. 1926. C. 1925. D. 1920. Answer है A. 1924. Question number 28. When did the members of the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association as assassinate San- Sander, Saunders, Sanders? A. 1924. B. 1928. C. 1925. D. 1927. Answer is B. 1928. Question number 29. Where was the headquarters of the reorganized HSRA established? Question mark. A. Pune. A. Pune. B. Delhi. C. Calcutta. D. Kanpur. Answer is D. Kanpur. Question number 13. Sanders murder was a revenge for whose death? Question mark. A. Bipin Chandrapal. C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. D. Lala Lajpat Rai. D. None of the above. Answer is C. Lala Lajpat Rai. Question number 31. Was the slogan of SRA? Question mark. A. Swaraj दो. B. Do or die. C. इनकलाब जिंदाबाद. D. क्रांति अमर रहे. आंसर है C. इनकलाब जिंदाबाद. क्वेश्चन नंबर 32. When did the Meerut conspiracy case take place? Question mark. A. 1926. B. 1928. B. 1928. C. 1990. D. 1929. Answer है D. 1929. Question number 33. Which revolutionary organization did Bhagat Singh join in 1924? Question mark. A. Indian National Congress. B. Hindustan Republican Association. C. All India Forward Bloc. D. Gadar Party. आंसर है बी. हिंदुस्तान रिपब्लिकन एसोसिएशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 34. व्हेन वॉज भगत सिंह हैंग्ड? क्वेश्चन मार्क. ए. 23 मार्च 1931. बी. 23 मार्च 1930. सी. 21 मार्च 1971. डी. 21 मार्च 1931. आंसर है ए. 23 मार्च 1931. Question number 35. Bhagat Singh was mainly tried in which case? Question mark. A. Kakori incident. B. Meerut conspiracy case. C. Lahore conspiracy case. D. Delhi assembly bomb case. Answer is C. Lahore conspiracy case. Question number 36. Give below is a list of same cases. Select their correct chronological order by using the codes given at the end. A. Lahore case. B. Kakori case. C. Meerut case. D. Kanpur case. Code. A. 1, 3, 2 and 4. B. 2, 4, 3 and 1. C. 1, 4, 2 and 3. D. 1, 4, 3 and 2. Answer is C. 1, 4, 2 and 3. Question number 37. Which of the following revolutionary was not hanged for Lahore Conspiracy? Question mark. A. Rajguru. B. Sardar Bhagat Singh. D. Sukhdev. D. बटुकेश्वर दत्त. आंसर है डी बटुकेश्वर दत्त. आंसर है बटुकेश्वर दत्त. क्वेश्चन नंबर 38. गदर पार्टी वॉज एस्टेब्लिश्ड इन द ईयर? क्वेश्चन मार्क. ए 1917, बी 1913, सी 1920, डी 1907. आंसर है बी 1913. क्वेश्चन नंबर 39. Who among the following was the first president of the Gadar party? Question mark. A. सोहन सिंह भाकना. बी. लाल हरदयाल. बी. लाल हरदयाल. सी. पंडित काशीराम. डी. केसर सिंह. आंसर है ए. सोहन सिंह भाकना. Question number 14. The Indian Home Rule Society in London was started by A. M.K. Gandhi, B. Annie Besant, C. Shyam G. Krishna Verma, D. B.G. Tilak. आंसर है C. श्याम जी कृष्ण वर्मा. आंसर है C. श्याम जी कृष्ण वर्मा. Question number 41. What was the Kamata Maru? Question mark. A. Political party. B. Peasant community leader. C. A Chinese village. D. A naval ship. Answer है A. Naval ship. Question number 42. Where was the headquarters of the Gadar party located? A. London. B. San Francisco. C. Tokyo. D. Berlin. आंसर है B. सैन फ्रांसिस्को. क्वेश्चन नंबर 43. Who hosted the first Indian national flag at Stuttgart, Germany in 1907? Question mark. A. महात्मा भिकाजी. ए. मैडम भिकाजी कामा. बी. सरोजनी नायडू. सी. लक्ष्मी सहगल. डी. एनी बेसेंट. आंसर है ए. मैडम भिकाजी कामा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 44. बाय व्हाट अदर नेम वॉज ए गदर पार्टी नोन? क्वेश्चन मार्क. ए. हिंदुस्तान रिपब्लिकन एसोसिएशन. बी. गदर रिवोल्यूशनरी ग्रुप. सी. पैसिफिक कोस्ट हिंदुस्तान एसोसिएशन. डी. इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस लेग्यू. आंसर है सी. पैसिफिक कोस्ट हिंदुस्तान एसोसिएशन. आंसर है 45. क्वेश्चन नंबर 45. व्हाट was the main objective of the Gadar party? A. Constitutional reforms. B. Non-violent movement. C. Spread of education. D. Free India. To free India. Third armed revolution. आंसर है D. To free India. Third armed revolution. Question number 46. When did the Simon Commission come to India? Simon Commission come to India. A. 3 February 1928. B. 26 November 1927. C. 15 August 1928. D. 1 January 1929. आंसर है A. 3 February 1928. Question number 47. Why was the Simon Commission proposed in India? Question mark. A. It had only English speaking Indians. B. There was no Indian representative. C. There were favored Indians compared to the British. D. there was no Indian woman in it. Answer है B. There was no Indian representative. Question number 48. Which what with what slogan was the Simon Commission welcomed? Question mark. A. Welcome Simon. B. Stay in Britain Simon. B. Go back Simon. C. Stay away from India. Answer is C. Go back Simon. Question number 49. Which was the following statements is correct regarding the Nehru report? Question mark. A. It advanced a federal system for India. B. It include a list of fundamental rights. C. It proposed the creation of proved provi- process on a linguistic basic. D. All of the above. Answer है D. All of the above. Question number 50. Which of the following was not recommendation of the Nehru report? Question mark. A. Demand for autonomy. B. Separate electorate. Separate electorate. C. Unitary and democratic center. D. Universal adult fancy. आंसर है बी. सेपरेट electorates. Question number 51. Jinnah presented his 14 points in responses to which of the following? Question mark. A. Nehru report. B. Simon Commission. C. Rowlatt Act. D. Government of India Act 1919. Answer है A. Nehru report. Question number 52. From where did Gandhi started the Dandiya march? Question mark. A. Champaran. B. Sabarmati. D. Bardoli. D. Dandi. Answer है B. Sabarmati. Question number 53. The civil disobedience movement started with A. Declaration of Home Rule. B. Partition of Bengal. C. Dandi March. D. Declaration of Pune Swaraj by the Congress. Answer is C. Dandi March. Question number 54. Gandhi-Irwin Pact is related to which movement? Question mark. A. Non-cooperation movement. B. Quit India movement. C. Champaran movement. D. Civil disobedience movement. Answer D. Civil disobedience movement. Question number 55. When did the Gandhi-Irwin Pact take place? Question mark. A. 1930. B. 1931. C. 1919. D. 1925. Answer is B. 1931. Question number 56. When did the Gandhiji reach Dandi during the Namak Satyagraha? Question mark. A. 6 April 1930. B. 12 April 1930. C. 10 April 1930. D. 1 April 1930. Answer is 6 April. In 6 April 1930. Question number 57. Who gave the slogan of Do or Die? A. Jinnah. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Mahatma Gandhi. D. None of the above. Answer is B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 58. Who was the Viceroy during the Dandi Yatra? Question mark. A. Lord Chelmsford. B. Lord Metcalfe. D. Lord Bentinck. D. Lord Irwin. Answer is D. Lord Irwin. Question number 59. Who was the leader of the Red Kurti Party? Question mark. A. Abdul Ghaffar Khan. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Maulana Azad. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer है A. Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Question mark. Question number 60. Who represented India in the second round table conference? Question mark. A. मौलाना आज़ाद. बी. महात्मा गांधी. सी. जिन्ना. डी. जवाहरलाल नेहरू. आंसर है बी. महात्मा गांधी. Question number 61. Who coined the phrase "Quit India"? Question mark. A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Yusuf Meher Ali. D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Answer is C. Yusuf Meher Ali. Question number 62. Operation Zero Hour is associated with question mark. A. Khilafat movement. B. Non-cooperation movement. C. Civil disobedience movement. D. Quit India movement. Answer is D. Quit India movement. Question number 63. Who among the following regularly broadcast programs on Congress A radio during the Quit India movement? A. Sucheta Kripalani. B. Ram Manohar Lohia. C. Jai Prakash Narayan. D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Answer B. राम मनोहर लोहिया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 64. क्रिप्स प्रस्ताव को द कांग्रेस एक्सेप्टेड. बी. द लैंग्यू रिजेक्टेड इट. सी. रिजेक्टेड बाय बोथ द कांग्रेस एंड द लैंग्वेज. डी. एक्सेप्टेड द लीग. एक्सेप्टेड द बोथ ऑफ कांग्रेस एंड द language and the login. Answer is C. Rejected by the both Congress and the League. Question number 65. What is the called the August movement? A. Quit India movement. B. Non-cooperation movement. C. Civil disobedience movement. D. None of the above. Answer is A. Quit India movement. Question number 66. Who was the Prime Minister of Britain when the Quit India movement started? Question mark. A. Roosevelt. B. Roosevelt. A. Roosevelt. B. Churchill. C. Mountbatten. D. None of the above. Answer है B. Churchill. Question number 67. Which of the following political organization launched Quit India movement? A. Communist Party of India. A. Muslim League. D. Indian National Congress. C. Hindu Mahasabha. Answer है C. India National Congress. Question number 68. After the Quit India movement, the battle beyond the country frontiers were led by A. M.K. Gandhi. B. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Answer है D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 69. What was the main reason for starting the Quit India movement? Question mark. A. Pupil restlessness. B. Failure and Cripps mission. C. Simon Commission report. D. British involvement in World War II. Answer is C. Simon Commission report. Question number 70. The cabinet mission recommended A. Option A. Direct partition. B. continued British rule. C. The three-tier federation. D. United India with a strong center. Answer है C. A three-tier federation. Question number 71. The main aim of the cabinet mission was to A. Frame a new constitution plan for the transfer of power. A. Suppress the Quit India movement. D. Both A and B. Answer is D. Both A and B. Question number 72. Which political party was in power in England when the cabinet mission come to India? Question mark. A. Labour Party. B. Democratic Party. C. Conservative Party. D. None of the above. Answer is A. Labour Party. Question number 73. Who among the following was not a member of cabinet mission? Question mark. A. Sir Stafford Cripps. B. Sir John Simon. C. A. B. Alexander. D. Lord Patrick Lawrence. Answer B. Sir John Simon. Question number 74. How many groups do provinces were proposed by cabinet mission plan? Question mark. A2, B5, C3, D4. Answer है C3. Question number 75. When was Shimla Conference held? A. 1947, B. 1946, C. 1940, D. 1945. Answer है D. 1945. Question number 76. What was the main reason for the constitution crisis leading to the resignation of Congress ministerials in 1939? Question mark. A. Viceroy Lynn Lithgow announced India was at war with Germany without consultative Indian leaders. B. Passage of the Revolt Act. C. The Simon Commission report. D. Failure of the Round Table Conference. Question number 8. Viceroy Lithgow announced India was at war with Germany without consultative Indian leaders. Question number 77. What was the name of the women's regiment in Indian National Army founded by Subhash Chandra Bose? Question mark. A. Rani Padmavati Regiment. B. Rani of Jhansi Regiment. B. Rani of Didha Regiment. D. More than one of the above. Answer is B. Rani of Jhansi Regiment. Question number 78. Who among the following had not advocated in INA Red Fort trial in 1945? Question mark. A. Bhola Bhai Desai. D. Dr. Kailash Nath Katju. C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. B. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer is C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question number 79. Which soldier of Azad Hind Fauj was sentenced to 7-year imprisonment? Question mark. A. Ras Bihari Bose. B. Aruna Asif Ali. C. Shah Nawaz. D. Rashid Ali. Answer है D. Rashid Ali. Question number 18. In which year Subhash Chandra Bose passed in India Civil Service Examination? Question mark. A. 1920, B. 1980, C. 1940, D. 1920. Answer है A. 1920. Question number 81. Who joined Subhash Chandra Bose to found he All India Forward Bloc and actively associated with the INA movement? Question mark. A. Jay Prakash Narayan, B. बैकुंठ शुक्ला, सी सील भद्रयाजी, डी राम नारायण परसा। आंसर है सी शील भद्र याजी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 82. When was the Azad Hind Fauj established? Question mark. A. 21 February 1944, B. 21 October 1943, C. 8 August 1942, D. 26 January 1940. Answer है B. 21 October 1943. Question number 83. What was the Bose famous slogan? Question mark. A. Jai Hind, B. Vande Mataram, C. Satyamev Jayate, D. Give me blood, I will give you freedom. Answer है D. Give me blood, I will give you freedom. Question number 84. INA headquarters was in? Question mark. A. Singapore, B. Rangoon, C. Bangkok, D. Malaya. आंसर है B. Rangoon. Question number 85. Who was Bose's political guru? Question mark. A. Gandhi, B. Tilak, C. C.R. Das, D. Nehru. Answer is C. C.R. Das. Question number 86. In 1939, Subhash Chandra Bose was elected as president of the Congress Party, defeating dash question mark. A. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, B. B.B. Patel, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Patabi Sitaramaya. Question number 87. In which year Azad Hind Radio Service was started under Subhash Chandra Bose in Germany? Question mark. A. 1941, B. 1942, C. 1943, D. 1944. Answer B. 1942. Question number 88. Which plan became the basic of Indian independence? Question mark. A. Mountbatten Plan, B. Wavell Plan, C. Cripps Mission, D. None of the above. Answer A. Mountbatten Plan. Question number 89. According to the Mountbatten Plan, when was the transfer of power to take place? Question mark. A. 15 August 1948, B. 14 August 1947, C. 15 August 1947, D. 3 August 1947. Answer है C. 15 August 1947. Question number 90. When was the Mountbatten Plan announced? Question mark. A. 3 June 1946, B. 3 June 1947, C. 20 February 1947, D. 15 August 1947. Answer है 3 June 1947. Question number 91. The partition of India in 1947 resulted in the creation of which two independent nations? Question mark. A. India and Sri Lanka, B. India and Bangladesh, C. India and Nepal, D. India and Pakistan. Answer है D. India and Nepal, India and Pakistan. Question number 92. The direct action day called by the Muslim League was observed on? Question mark. A. 15 August 1946, B. 16 August 1946, D. C. 15 July 1946, D. 14 August 1947. Answer है B. 16 August 1947. Question number 93. The British monarch at the time of India independence was A. George V, B. King Howard 7. D. George IV. D. None of the above. आंसर है C. George IV. Question number 98. Lord Mountbatten come to India as Viceroy and was given specific in instruction to A. Keep India unit if possible. B. Balkanization of the Indian subcontinent. C. Accept Jinnah demand for Pakistan. D. Convince the Congress to accept partition. Answer है A. Keep India unit if possible. Question number 95. Question number 95. The Indian National Congress agreed to the partition of country in 1947 mainly because A. It was imposed by the British government and the Congress. A. Helpless in the regards. B. The basic principle of the two national theory was acceptable to him at the time. C. Otherwise, India would have lost the opportunity to achieve independence. D. They want they wanted to avoid large scale communal riots. Answer is D. The wanted to avoid large scale communal riots. Question number 96. Who handled the Boundary Comics Commission appointed in 1947 in the context of India partition? Question mark. A. Mountbatten. B. Redcliffe. C. James Bolt. D. Richardson. Answer is B. Redcliffe. Question number 97. Who presided over the Delhi session of Indian National Congress in 1947? A. Abdul Kalam Azad. B. Rajendra Prasad. D. J.B. Kripalani. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. आंसर है B. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 98. The first and the last India Governor General of India was A. Sri Rajagopalachari. B. Ramanuj Acharya. D. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. D. R.M. Gopala. आंसर है A. श्री राजगोपालाचारी. Question number 98. Who was the president of the Indian National Congress at the time of partition of India? Question mark. A. C. Rajagopalachari. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Rajendra Prasad. D. None of the above. Answer है D. None of the above. Question number 100. 26 January 1950 had chosen for the enforcement of the Constitution B. Q's. Question number A. This was the auspicious day. B. Quit India movement was begun on this date in 1942. C. Congress had celebrated 26 January 1930 at the first Independent Day. Question number D. Option D. None of the above. Answer is C. Congress had celebrated 26 January 1930 as the first Independence Day. इस वीडियो में 1 से लेके 100 तक इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन हो चुके हैं. अगर आप लोगों को वीडियो पसंद आता है तो वीडियो को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करें. और अगर ऐसी और वीडियो चाहिए तो आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं. हमारे चैनल पर और भी सब्जेक्ट की ऐसी वीडियो उपलब्ध हैं और साथ में प्लेलिस्ट भी कोर्स की वीडियो भी उपलब्ध हैं, आप चाहें तो उन्हें विजिट कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।